Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 1, we will study about definite and indefinite articles. First of all, we will learn about an article, then its types, indefinite articles, definite article, and zero article. So, open up page number 11 and let's get started. First of all, let us see what is an article. An article is a part of speech that is used before a noun to show whether the noun refers to something specific or general. In English, there are three articles: a, an, and the. Now, let's see which one refers to specific and which one refers to general. First, let us see what are indefinite articles. Indefinite articles refer to general things. We use a or an to refer to general things. But a is used with words starting with consonant sounds and an is used with words starting with vowel sounds. They can only be used for singular nouns. Now, let us look at the definite article. Definite article refers to specific things. We use the to refer to specific person, thing, and place. It can be used for both singular and plural nouns. Now, on page number 11, let us see at the two poems. First, let's read the first poem together. There was an old man with a beard who said, "It is just as I feared. Two owls and a hen, four larks and a wren have all built their nests in my beard." In this poem, you can see that an and a are used. Also, do you notice that an is used before a vowel and a is used before a consonant? We are just generally talking about the old man, hen, and wren. Now, let's come to the second poem. There was an old person of Crow who lived in the nest of an owl. When they screamed in the nest, he screamed out with the rest. That depressing old person of Crow. Now, here you can see we are just generally talking about the old person, but we are specifying the nest in which he lived, which is the only nest we are talking about, which is the nest of an owl. Now that you know about definite and indefinite articles, let's come to zero article on page number 12. Sometimes nouns don't use an article. A zero article means no article. Let's see which things do not use an article. We don't use an article with plurals, countable nouns, meals, proper nouns, games, sports, languages, and subjects of study. Now, Adam found more about Edward Lear on the internet. Let's see what he found. Edward Lear was a famous English poet. He was born in Holloway, North London. His elder sister Anne raised him like a mother. He was famous for his limericks. He wrote a book of nonsense in 1864. It was translated into many languages and 3 times in Russian. Limerick poetry took its name after an Irish town called Limerick. It is the third largest city in Ireland. Limerick Day is celebrated on the 12th of May. Edward Lear suffered from health problems, but no one knew his issues through reading his funny poems. Now, Edward Lear, London, Holloway, North London, and Ireland, these are all proper nouns. Even Limerick is a proper noun. And Russian and English are languages. When we come to health, health here is an uncountable noun. So, do you see these highlighted words do not have an article before them? Now, as an activity, write a limerick of your own using articles.